we kind of over anticipated how big the tractor was when I said send the biggest one. Evening, guys. Keep the camera still, Andrew. So we had a tractor come to do in between lemon trees. We kind of over anticipated how big the tractor was when I said send the biggest one. So he did 2 streets. We both looked at each other and went, no. So he's gone. We've sorted out for tomorrow for him to come back. The problem is with tomorrow is it's a public holiday in Spain. It's Three Kings. So the likelihood of him coming back tomorrow is not very likely. But we'll see. We'll see. You might prove me wrong. The problem we've got is after that we've got like 4 days of rain. So then it'll take this time of year probably another month for it to dry out if we get as much rain as what they're saying. By then all this will be up here with weeds. So cross our fingers, hope tomorrow he comes back. We'll see. But one added bonus is because he's done a couple of the streets, we've been able to see what the soil's like. And after we had it done last year after the floods, it wasn't too great. Now it looks really nice. It's like black gold. I'll take it down and have a look. So as you can see, it's a bit cold, but it'll warm up in the sun. But it is literally lovely. So once he's done it all and he's come back, then this year we'll probably plant a couple of rows up in between lemon trees, get some other things growing as well, and we'll see how we go. But yeah, nice lovely dirt. I'm gonna go and enjoy what's left of the lovely sunset with this lovely view that we have. I'm gonna go sit on my terrace so it goes dark and make dinner, and we'll see you all on the next one.